Hi friends, a very very good evening to all of you. Since, if I remember, I was 4-5 years old, I think. Actually, it used to be कि 1st of December आ गया अभी चलो birthday start. It was like that. My parents were there, my mother, my father. तो मुझे ऐसे ही याद है कि 1st December आ गया मतलब birthday party शुरू. So well, now I'm going to be 53, just to share it with all you people, as I always do share everything with all of you, because I've already started receiving so many wishes. Makes me so happy that today my parents are not there, but they must be so happy that this trend is still going on, that 1st of December, say 11th of December tak, and in fact some belated also after that. So I said let me share it with all of you, and as usual some story for all of you all. There was this man who had gone out of his town somewhere. When he comes back, he sees that his house, his bungalow, is on fire. And this house was one of the most beautiful houses in the town. You know, many were ready to buy it, but he had never agreed for any price. And जैसे वो वापस आया and he just sees this burning in front of his eyes, he was like, and there was nothing that he saw could be saved there, because it was just, the fire was too strong and going very fast. So he becomes very, very sad, very emotional. And suddenly his son comes running to him and whispers something in his ear. Don't be worried. Dad, I sold it yesterday at a very good price. The offer was so good, I could not wait for you, Dad. Dad, please forgive me. Father said, thank God it's not ours now. Then the father was relaxed, and he also became a silent watcher, like thousands of people standing there. जैसे सब देख रहे थे, वो भी देखना शुरू हो गया. Just a moment before, he was not a watcher. He was attached. He was a part of it. But when he got to know this, he also became like everybody else. It is the same house, the same fire, everything is the same. But now he was not concerned. Suddenly, the second son comes running and he says to the father, what are you doing? You're smiling and the house is on fire. The father said, don't you know? Your smart, intelligent brother has sold it for 20 crores. A 5 crore property for 20 crores. He said, Dad, we have taken only advance amount, not settled fully. I doubt now that this man is going to purchase it after this fire. The moment the second son says this, again everything changes. Again tears. So the tears which had disappeared, they came back in the father's eyes. His smile was not there anymore. His heart was beating fast, palpitations. And the watcher was gone. And again he got attached to it. While all this thing was going on, the third son comes there and he tells his father, Dad, that man is a man of his word. I have just come from him. He said it doesn't matter whether the house is burnt or not. It's mine. And I am going to pay the price that I have settled for. Neither you knew nor I knew that the house would catch on fire. Again joy came back to him. Again that smile came back to the father. Again his tears went away, and again the whole family became watchers. The attachment was not there anymore. Guys, do you know what actually was happening? What is this process? Nothing is changing. Just the context that I am the owner, I am not the owner of the house, makes the whole difference. Most of the thoughts are not yours, but from your parents, from your teachers, from your friends, from your books, from your movies, television, newspapers, news. अपना कुछ नहीं है. Nothing is yours. Just count on how many thoughts are your own. Just count. And you will be surprised, shocked that not a single thought is your own. All are from other sources. All are borrowed, either dumped by others on you or dumped by yourself upon yourself. But nothing is yours. Nothing. So guys, I want you all to hear this again and think after hearing, what is life? What is reality? And believe me, all of you will be very, 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 very relaxed, at peace and happy. And this is what I wanted to give all of you whom I love so much. Thank you for the blessings, thank you for the love, and thank you for the wishes that have been showered upon me till now. God bless you all. I love you. And once again, thank you so much for the love that you all have given me. And happy birthday to me once again. Thank you.